Hey, how's it going, everyone? Chris Elenes here, and we just arrived to Isla Mujeres here in the Riviera Maya. And to our surprise, they have our room ready for early check-in here at Izla. Give you guys a quick little room tour of the room as we walk in. Let me change the setting a bit. You walk in, you have a closet with the safe, hangers, ironing board with an iron, full-size mirror. Just walk into the nice bathroom, very nice bathroom, double sink. Say what's up, you guys. Crazy Chris in the house. Got my sun hat because we need the protection. Nice shower, separate toilet area, and let's go look outside. Just a quick little video for you guys. Oh, and look, check this out. As we are celebrating our anniversary, what a beautiful touch. Ceiling fan, decent sized TV, little dining table, coffee maker. Let's go look at the outside patio. So nice to be here. I'm quite surprised as to how the temperature is. It's not as hot as I remember, but it's perfect weather. View to the pool. There's also an upstairs pool on the roof that we will be checking out. Well, just thought I'd give you guys a quick little view of the video here at Izla, on Isla Mujeres, the island of Isla Mujeres. Well, you guys, we're off to go and grab our golf cart because that's how you get around here on the island. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Catch up to you guys soon. Getting tongue twisted a bit. All right, you guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Signing out. Peace.